Okay, right. That's it. You got wings, you got the kit. We're just gonna mix it. Again, you could use your hands, but I weren't trying to do that. So mix, a bit more mixed. It gets more mixed than that. I like it smooth. Heat up your oil after mixing. Oil heated, you can start frying. I like about, say that pan there, about 5 pieces. 6 is alright, 6 to 8 in a fryer. But, you know, that's a pan. I don't have a chip pan. Heat your thing up 190. And then you fry for 8 minutes in a deep fryer. Chip pan, same thing, but get to 190, okay? This is just for visuals. That done. Kitchen towel if you want. Plate your wings. In a deep fry for me. Check the other video, you'll see. But anyway, the deep fried wings. Yeah, so from here, you just want to get your kit. Get it online at our website. And some water. Obviously, you should have a deep fat fryer. Chicken wings, King, fried mix kit. Get yours.